Imagine a manufacturing company with a wide range of products with numerous configuration options. Then, imagine a series of sales collateral like data sheets, PowerPoints, and brochures. Now, imagine the plight of the sales and consulting teams in A. Understanding the products, B. Understanding the configurations, and C. Communicating it to the customer, and finally D. Making the sale. A company just like the one we described was an HVAC manufacturing company.
When you are selling a product, in that time you have selection programs. These selection programs, as a fact, selecting a grill or a diffuser, you're selecting on throw, that is how far the air travels into the room, on sound level, and on pressure drop.
Yeah.
There are a number of these programs in the market, but people are not using it. And the reason is that when you open a catalog on paper, you can see with your finger, you have these 3 items and you have the size. So that brings no benefit, because as soon as you like to order, you have to go to your catalog anyway.
Okay.
Ordering in the past, that was writing down all the pieces that you want and take your calculator and add the price and the discount and the additional tax and VAT. I don't know. That is no way of working.
Does this sound like something your company goes through? Listen on. Ideafarms took all their collateral and built this for them. PSG, Product Selection Guide, an interactive, visual and intuitive guide. Let's take a look at one of their products, diffusers. We select a diffuser product. We then configure them as needed for the different options like throw directions, temperature differential, ceiling height, air velocity, etc. We adjust the maximum and minimum air volume or the range, the pressure drop and the noise level. Note how the selections build up as you go along. You finally select a dimension that fits your needs and the details appear. Nothing works like a good graphical representation of data. Changing the parameters here shows you the impact visually. An explanation of the graph comes with the product. Despite all this, you might also just want to see the product documentation. No sweat, we've got that too. Now, you're done configuring the product. What if you could suggest accessories along with the product specification that you just built? The possible range of accessories for your selection is automatically displayed in your choices noted. Key in some comments and save your order. You can create multiple such selections and create a schedule to be saved for further processing.
You can export it to an order form, and you know the prices, and you can calculate with it, and the result of the calculation you can export as a user to your total calculation program. That was altogether the benefit, and we have seen that people, this first try-out version, are using it. And by the way, with this article classification, that is something that is worldwide now going on, that confirms that 10 years ago we were absolutely on the right track. And I think that the best thing from Ideafarm, that it was always trying to work as a team and not as a bunch of individuals with stressed managers all over the place.
Does all of this sound like it might make sense for you? Call us. We do magic. It's .magic@ideafarms.com.